In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use AI in Gmail. Start by opening Gmail and going to your inbox. Once you are looking at your email list, you will set up an AI helper inside Gmail using a browser extension. Look near your browser extensions area, usually at the top of the window, and click the extensions icon. In the search field there, type what you need to find the extension. Then select ChatGPT for Gmail from the results. After you click the extension, you may see a few setup prompts. Click through the on-screen highlights to begin the connection process. When you reach the permission screen, select Grant Permission. This is the step where Google asks you to approve access so the extension can work inside Gmail. Take a moment to read what is being requested, then click Continue to proceed. On the next consent screens, follow the highlighted prompts to confirm the connection. These screens can look slightly different depending on your Google account, but the action is the same. You are approving the extension so it can help you write and respond to emails inside Gmail. Continue clicking the highlighted buttons until you are sent back to Gmail. Now that you are back in your inbox, find the Extension Settings panel. Click the option labeled Enables Automated Answers to New Emails. Turning this on allows the tool to suggest replies automatically when new messages arrive. This can save time, but it is still important to review anything before sending, especially for tone, names, dates, and attachments. Next, click through the highlighted options in the extension panel to finish configuring how the tool behaves. Then select Message Sending Mode. This setting controls how messages are handled when you use the AI features. Choose the highlighted selection shown in the setup so the extension uses the correct sending behavior for your workflow. Finally, go to Integrations. This area is where the extension connects with Gmail features more deeply. Click the highlighted option there to complete the last part of the setup. Once these settings are enabled, your AI tools will be available directly inside Gmail as you read and write emails. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.